If you're using AI tools today, at work, in school, or even for everyday tasks, you're making decisions that matter. But are you ready for what's coming next? In 2025, AI literacy isn't optional anymore. It will be essential. It's the difference between using technology wisely or being used by it. Today, we'll break down the 4 pillars of AI literacy that everyone needs to navigate the future clearly, ethically, and confidently. Because the truth is, the world is quickly dividing into 2 groups: those who understand AI and those who are left behind. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stay empowered, informed, and ready. Whether you're a teacher, a marketer, a student, or an entrepreneur. Let's be honest. Knowing how to use AI isn't the same as understanding it. Real AI literacy means understanding what AI can do, what it can't, and why that difference matters. You should know basic terms like confidence scores, training versus inference, model types, generative versus discriminative. Example, if you're hiring and using AI to screen resumes. Is it analyzing intent or just matching keywords? That level of understanding is what sets you apart. AI excels at pattern recognition, but struggles with causal reasoning, understanding why things happen rather than just what happens. To summarize, understanding AI's capabilities and limits helps you decide when to use it, when to be cautious, and how to interpret its outputs. Prompt engineering started gaining momentum in 2023, became essential in 2024, and by 2025, it's a core digital literacy. Knowing how to talk to AI will become a superpower. It's not technical. It's about being specific, structured, and clear. Let's compare 2 prompts requesting an email from ChatGPT. One is very simple, while the other is more specific and includes some details. First prompt, write an email. This is too broad and may lead to a vague or off-target response. Second prompt, write a 150-word friendly intro email to a new client explaining our eco-friendly design services. This prompt gives clear instructions, tone, length, purpose, and subject, leading to a much more accurate and useful result. Clarity in your prompt means quality in your response. For complex tasks, breaking it down works better. Try. First, categorize this feedback into themes. Then, identify the top 3 issues. Finally, suggest actions for each one. That's called chain of thought prompting, and it helps AI reason step by step. Try it now. Think of something you're working on and rewrite your prompt to be more structured. The key to better AI output? Specificity, structure, and context. Be clear, break it into steps, and give enough detail to guide the response. Beginners, add detail. Advanced users, break tasks into steps. Just because AI sounds smart doesn't mean it's right. Hallucinations, AI-generated content that sounds plausible but is wrong are common. Here's how to spot them. Missing sources, overconfidence, no citations, misquotes, or incorrect numbers. Let's look at an example. Apple CEO Tim Cook announced the iPhone 15 Pro Max in 2023 with a 200 megapixel camera called the biggest leap in iPhone photography. Problem: the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 48 megapixel camera. The quote: "Never happened. That's why you must verify." Professionals who critically evaluate AI outputs make 37% fewer errors. That's a serious edge. Key takeaway: always question what AI says, especially for high-stakes work. When we talk about AI ethics, it's not just about having good intentions. It's about real-world outcomes, the actual impact technology has on people's lives. In ethics, what truly matters isn't just what we intend. It's the actual impact our actions have. Even if we design an AI system with the best intentions, if the outcome causes harm, bias, or unfairness, it's still a failure from an ethical perspective. AI is already shaping decisions in hiring, policing, lending, healthcare, and education. Ethical literacy today isn't a bonus. It's a foundation for building fairer, more responsible systems. Whenever AI is involved, the right questions aren't technical. They're human. Who benefits? Who is harmed? Is the system transparent and accountable? And real-world examples already show us what happens when we fail to ask those questions. In 2024, a job screening AI favored certain accents, excluding qualified candidates. A diagnostic tool misjudged rural patients because its training data came mostly from urban areas. AI writing detectors wrongly flagged non-native speakers as cheaters. These aren't science fiction stories. They are today's reality. From human resources to healthcare, the impacts of AI systems are shaping real lives right now. Ethical AI literacy means asking the hard questions, not later, but right now, before technology decisions are made that affect real people. Let's recap the 4 pillars of AI literacy. 1. Understand what AI can and can't do. 2. Communicate clearly through effective prompts. 3. Evaluate output critically. 4. Recognize its ethical and social impact. Choose one to practice this week. For example, work on better prompts. Fact-check an AI response. Reflect on ethical implications in your field. We've included a one-page cheat sheet with today's takeaways, download it from the description. Next video, we'll explore how to apply AI literacy to your creative projects. Comment below. What part of AI literacy are you most curious about?